Bakit yung definition ng parents mo ng success hindi na nag-work? Hi, Lester here. Gaaral ka, makuha ng trabaho, mag-ipon. Ganyan yung tinuturo nila dati sa atin. Hindi na nag-work ngayon yun. Iba na yung labanan. Hi, Lester here. Sobrang outdated na niya. Kumbaga kung isang work ka lang ngayon, isang job ka lang, kahit pa may konti kang maipon, maubos lang yan sa inflation. Yung sinasabi nila maging loyal ka sa isang company, sobrang obsolete na yan. So yung new economy rewards yung may mga skills. So possible na freelancer ka, possible na consultant ka, you're working for multiple companies, and you earn multiple income. How do I know that? I've been like that for a long time. There's a way na pwede kang kumita ng more than yung mga top managers, even CEOs ng mga smaller companies kapag if you have multiple jobs, multiple racket, or multiple client operating from home. That's possible now. So if you're skilled, if you're creative, it pays more than stability. Stability and compliance. So if you can learn fast, if you can use technologies, if you can use AI, you have better future than working long hours manually. So I think we have to redefine success. Security now means adaptability. Ibig sabihin, mas hindi ka mag-worry na mawawalan ka ng kita kapag alam mo na skilled ka at marami ka bang pwedeng gawin instead of kapag nawala ka ng trabaho, end of the world na. Careers now means multiple income stream. From a job, side hustle, a racket, passive incomes from social media, and a lot of different avenues para kumita ka. And ultimately, hopefully yung retirement mo will start once you can control your time freedom. You have enough money and do whatever the hell you want. So, huwag ka matakot gumawa ng sariling version ng success. Kasi yung lumang paraan, hindi na bagay sa bagong mundo. Hope that helps. See you in the next one. Bye.